Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. Quick reminder, always double check that you are using the official Phantom and Robinhood apps downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Also, make sure both apps are updated to the latest version to avoid errors during the transfer. First thing you need to do is to simply open your Phantom Wallet application. Once you have logged into your Phantom Wallet account, after that, you just need to click on this Send button at the middle of your screen, and you will see all the tokens that you have here. After that, if you want to search, you can search Sol or any other cryptocurrency you want to transfer into your Robinhood account. So I'm going to transfer Sol. So simply search Sol, and you will see Solana here. So simply tap on this. After that, here in the toolbar, you need to paste your depositing address. Important tip, make sure the token you are sending, in this case Solana, is supported by Robinhood. Sending unsupported tokens could result in permanent loss of funds. Now, in order to get the depositing address, you just need to minimize this and open your Robinhood application. Once you have successfully opened your Robinhood wallet, after that, from here, you need to tap on this Receive button, and after that, here you need to search for Sol in the search, and you will see Solana at the top. So simply tap on this. Here you can see Receive Sol. So simply copy this. After copying wallet address, open Phantom Wallet again. Here you can see Paste from Clipboard. So simply paste from clipboard, and now tap Next at the bottom. After that, you need to enter the amount of Sol you are transferring from Phantom to Robinhood. For example, 20 sols. And after that, you just need to click on this Next button at the bottom. After that, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your Sol from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood Wallet. Additional note, sometimes the transfer may take a little longer depending on Solana network congestion. So don't worry if it doesn't show up immediately. You can always check the status of your transaction on a Solana blockchain explorer by pasting your wallet address. And that's how you can transfer from Phantom Wallet to Robinhood. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and do subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related videos.